do have gold now. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my screen. I was just setting it up. So I was just setting it up on what we have. Okay, cool. So let me switch my screen. All right. So this is what's happening. Now, this is the H4 time frame. Mind you, what I need you guys to know, I'm dropping this for free. What I need you guys to know when you start analyzing, especially for those ones that just the ones that are new on the market, right? When you start analyzing on your 4-hour time frame or your daily. That's how you get to see what your overall movement of the market, right? That's how you get to see the overall movement of the market. And you can now go to smaller time frames when you look for entries. So actually, let me remove all these drawings. Alright, cool. So this is what we have, right? We have the analysis like this. This is gold, right? So the what do you do? Look at your points of rejection. What do I mean when I say points of rejection? You look at the points whereby the market has rejected on the same level countless times or multiple times. Like I said, we have a point on this level. We have another point on this level. We have another point on this level, another one here, right? So what do you do? This is now a point whereby now you can create your zone, right? Now you can create your zone from this point. Now you can create your zone. So after you create your zone, you look for the other points, right? Look for the other points. So we do have the other points here. We do have this one. We have this one. We have this one here. This is another zone. Actually, let me put it up a bit. All right. We have another zone here, right? Whereby you have your resistance, you have your support level. Now this was the breakout on the support level, right? Then you have the lowest zone, which is this one here, this point here. This is your lowest point. Then this is your point of retracement. This is not your highest point. It's your point of retracement where the market is going to retrace, right? So let me zoom it in a bit. You see all these zones. You see what you did with these zones. You actually got all these zones by just looking at a points of rejection whereby the market is rejected on this point, this point, this one, this one. You get what I'm saying? So the points of rejection, they make it so easy for you to spot your zones. And what now, this is really the most simplest thing I would ever tell you. If we are playing in this zone between these two lines, if we are playing in the resistance and the support level, we know that if we bounce from the support level, then we go into the resistance. You understand? Then if we on the resistance level making a rejection on the zone, obviously we're going where? To the support. If we break here, there is a rejection, and then there is this other candlestick now here that is going to start by shooting up. Then after it shot up, now it starts rejecting. This is where now you catch your other sell orders. And now I don't think we can conclude and say we are actually done with the drop up until we actually reach this level here. See, up until we finally reach 1773, then 1773 on gold, it'll be our major take profit before we can look at our buy orders. So the best, they will still, or should I say, they still have more power or more strength in this. You understand? And look at what I did with my charts, guys. Like, what I did is the most simplest thing ever. I just drew only horizontal lines, but then I managed to see where we will be going, the points of rejection, another entry point, understand? So when you just working only with your points of rejection, you manage to create your zones. You know that if you leave or if you get out of the zone, you start playing here on top. You'll be playing from here to here, you understand? You'll be playing inside here. Then if you leave the side and come here, then now you will be playing here. You get what I'm trying to tell you guys? So just the zones naked charts, this is how we do it, man. This is how we pop our things, man. This is how we pop our charts. That's how I pop my chart. You know, entry point is the most important one. Entry point is the most important one. Understand? As long as you know your points of rejection, you know your points of retracement, entry points is what matters now. Yeah, let me see. What do you guys have to say about the live analysis I just shared? You guys gotta say. What do you guys gotta say? Let me see something. We're not yet done with the let me see the comments. It's very hot. Yeah, guys, I also wanted to ask you, do you think I should start a YouTube video? Do you guys think I will be good? Nice and simple, sweet stuff. Shout out, pure market structure. Shout out, you know. Like, you know, guys, I want to tell you something about the market. This is the reason why people blow accounts. The reason why people blow accounts is people like to think that they're smarter than the market. You understand? And the moment you think like that, it's already over. You get? You will never be smarter than the market. That's one thing you need to know. No matter how many millions you can make every day, you won't be smarter than the market, because, and then nobody controls the market. That's one thing you need to know again about the market. Nobody controls the market. We don't have people such like what I mean when I say we have people like market makers, right? But then we have, like, I'm trying to tell you that nobody controls the market, in a sense of, you need to understand that nobody knows the next move of the market, because anything can happen on the market. You understand what I'm trying to tell you? Like,